How to get flashes in Capcut. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get flashes in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Once you get into the app, tap to add the new project here. Then select the video from the gallery and tap to add it. After adding the video to edit, tap on your video. Then tap on the overlay button from the editing bar and tap to add overlay from the gallery. Now choose the white square shape photo from the gallery. Then tap to zoom in the shape into your video. After adding the shape, click on Blend It from the editing bar. Then choose the overlay option from the blend. After adding the overlay blend, get back to the editing bar and tap on the animation button. Now from the animation button, choose the flash out animation. Then make sure to adjust it to its maximum. Or you can adjust the flash out according to your preferences. Now, click to play the video to see the flashes on your video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.